If you close your eyes and pay attention to where you are right now, you probably feel like you are sitting somewhere right behind your eyes, looking out at a world that is entirely separate from you. About 13,000 years ago, at the end of the Atlantean era, something caused our collective awareness to plummet. The memory structures of human consciousness crumbled. We dropped rapidly in an uncontrolled spiral through multiple dimensions of reality. We kept sinking until we crash-landed here, in the dense, heavy environment of the third dimension. When we arrived, our biological systems effectively booted up in safe mode. We are currently running on broken hardware, missing critical updates. But the ancient anatomical blueprints for a much higher state of operation are still hardwired inside of us. What modern science catalogs as normal human perception is actually a severe biological mutation. We are a species experiencing a profound 13,000-year state of amnesia. Before this event, humans sustained themselves on prana, the basic energetic life force of the universe. We processed this energy directly through the exact center of our heads. This diagram highlights the pineal gland. Before the crash, it was the size of a ping-pong ball. It possessed color receptors and a physical lens, functioning as a literal internal eye, specifically oriented to look upward toward the heavens. But after the fall, we forgot how to use it. We started taking in prana through the nose and mouth. This new pathway entirely bypassed the center of the head. Because we stopped routing energy through the pineal gland, the tissue atrophied, shriveling down to the size of a dried pea. The pineal gland originally acted as the central receptor for the geometry of creation, filtering the one reality through a single point. When we began breathing through the nose and mouth, the prana bypassed this lens, causing the brain to interpret a single existence as two opposing forces. This biological shift creating polarity consciousness, perceiving reality as split between good and evil, self and other. Overcoming this dualistic view requires the physical restoration of these energetic pathways, allowing the brain to process the original, unified signal it was built to receive. The physical biology is only a fraction of the human machine. Surrounding every person is a massive, invisible electromagnetic field. This drawing reveals the geometric structure of that field, the star tetrahedron, encasing the human form. Through the chakras runs a central channel, connecting the upward apex above the head directly to the downward apex below the feet. The original breathing technique was designed to pull prana simultaneously up and down this central tube. Those two streams of energy would then collide perfectly within one of the body's specific chakras. This animation displays what happens when that flow is restored. The geometric field begins a counter-rotating spin approaching the speed of light, creating a massive saucer-like heat envelope. This activated state is called the Merkaba, translating to light, spirit, and body. While the breathing pattern initiates the mechanical rotation of the field, it remains a stagnant shell without the correct emotional frequency. Unconditional love provides the resonance required to transform this rotating field into a living, conscious light body. This activated Merkaba functions as an interdimensional biological vehicle, a chariot of light designed to transport the spirit through different levels of reality. If your modern analytical left brain is highly skeptical of this, that is exactly what it is wired to do. The left hemisphere dominates our current reality, looking out at the world and categorizing it through division, logic, and separation. This animation illustrates how we can bypass that skepticism. By studying exact mathematical and geometric systems, like the star tetrahedron, the left brain begins to recognize universal patterns. It finally relaxes, opening neural pathways to synchronize with the intuitive, interconnected right brain. We can also find tangible historical evidence that human beings once possessed this vast cosmic awareness. Take, for example, the Dogon tribe of West Africa. This image compares an ancient Dogon tribal diagram with a modern astronomical chart. Deep inside a protected cave, the Dogon drew this orbital path over 700 years ago. It maps the movement of Sirius B, a star completely invisible to the naked eye. They held cosmic data that modern instruments only recently confirmed. Anomalies like this suggest that human history is far deeper and far more connected to the cosmos than conventional science currently admits. By feeding the analytical mind with sacred geometry and fueling the heart with unconditional love, we have the tools to restart the Merkaba. We can finally wake up from our 13,000-year slumber and remember our place in a unified universe.